Thursday afternoon, doing this Mavis job again. Last time I did it, you guys didn't seem to appreciate it too much, so I'm gonna do it again. Actually, this one here is so it's a Mavis job, but it's a different, actually a slightly different setup. The other one has like some text at the bottom, but this one doesn't. But same formula. I'm about to go through it right now. This one goes. We want to get this one done quick. Get this one locked in quickly. So again on this Mavis job, you know, this Mavis job is on polyester shirts, right? Oh, you know what? Before I even start, let's just walk through do a press walk real quick. On these polyester type shirts, I don't know if you guys can see, but again, there's this little. It's not a smooth surface. They got a little substance to it. Okay. So it's the type of print where you can print over it, but it doesn't necessarily fill in all the grooves in the material. Alright. So let's do a quick little press walk. Alright, we got our blocker. We got our poly white underbase. Okay. Flash. Both flashes are cooked now. Both flashes are cooked. Last three colors. You got your yellow, poly white, 321, and as you can see, it's a real tight print. Everything touches. And there's a high chance of smearing. Alright. But I have presets for this job. I have presets for this run. I've done this run so many times. Okay. So let's get the blocker on first. Now the purpose of the blocker, having a blocker underbase as well as a poly white underbase, is so the dye doesn't migrate through the print. Okay. Meaning, without that poly white underbase, if you just had your blocker, or if you just had your blocker, your colors aren't going to be what they needed to be. If you just had your poly white underbase under this, all this green will turn like a real dark green, almost black, because that'll be the dye migrating through the print. Let's set up these top colors right on top of the blocker. Alright, so these presets, my presets to keep this print nice and clean. Okay, we go 30 psi. 30 psi. We keep our squeegee height at halfway. This is halfway. Right? You go up, you're going all the way. The more up you go, the more the squeegee height lowers. And as you go down, the squeegee height raises. Alright? So I keep it halfway. Alright? Nice slow stroke. Lay down a little bit more. So if I want to lay down some more of this ink, I'm not going to add pressure. What I'll do is I'm gonna add some angle. That'll give us more ink. Yeah. And it only looks like that because the white underbase isn't under it. I like to micro the top colors in first before I do the poly white underbase. PSI halfway, yep. White looks good. Now for the 321 or green or blue, however, for me it's green, or people will call it teal. Teal is a greenish blue, not a bluish green. But anyway, all right. So let's go. Let's raise our squeegee height halfway, right? And then we're actually going to go 40 psi on here, right? Lay down a good bit of that 321. Okay. It just needs to go down just a tad bit. Not gone too far. Nope. Perfect. Let's dry this up. The poly base. Get that all registered so we can get this thing done. Poly white underbase, squeegee height goes all the way down for the 50 psi. 50 psi, nice slow stroke. Go left a little, just a little bit, just a tad. More than a tad, isn't it? Kind of depends on this, on the R321. You know what, our yellow could be a factor too, actually. You know what, all of it could be a factor. baby. Right. That's what we want. That's what we want right there, man. In fact, the only issue I really see actually the height. I think the height. Yeah. I'm gonna pull this button all the way off. Other than that, that is how we're supposed to look. And we're ready to run, man. See you guys in the next one.